Welcome back for another video with your boy. We got Mana. We got the boys over here getting their stuff ready. We're gonna do a solid drone session. It's a beautiful day that our Lord has made. Kono winds coming from that way, or maybe like that way. That way. If this drone goes in the water, you guys can laugh. Oh, dude.
Stop.
First there's definitely shallow. Edit that thing out. First drop. Justin brought Mana out. I think he's out of the drop. Yeah! Did you have it?
Yeah, I'm on it down here.
Right on the drop. Go.
Right where that way just went past.
Right, that's silver. I think silver and blue. Let's go. First drop. So sketchy be out with that on that cliff. There we go. Oh, you nuts. Holy shit. Oh, I never even know how to ledge. Yeah, you.
Hey, you gotta let me use one jig now. Look at that foot I did.
You snag him. Right on the ass.
Yeah, it is. Oh, I snagged it.
Right on the ass.
He snagged the out of it.
No! No, right at the retrieve.
Oh, jig right here.
Is it stuck on the wall?
Oh, that's my jig too.
Oh, look at Oh, shoot. That's hilarious. Hey, you have some action.
Right there, get the ladder.
Yeah, let's try and catch him.
Josh, don't charge it. It's all good.
Is it still there?
I don't see it. Freaking Josh, right underneath gas. Oh, right there, right back in the water. Right here, watch him come back up. Or not.
My fish is down there. Who's volunteering to swim and get it? It's not my start date. Oh, another lot. Oh, look at it. Oh no.
Why? But why? 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 Yessah. City gone whack. Let's go.
Oh, it's heavy.
What is it? Oh, bro, you probably got like 300 more feet left.
Oh my God.
Yessah. Let's go. Dawson is on.
What is that? I see him. Holy crap.
Yeah.
I think I get rubbish. Is that?
Not.
Yeah, right there. Look up. That's it, yeah?
No. Oh. Definitely hooked up on some kind of paracord looking thing.
Oh,
Big rope, big rope.
Woo.
Oh, I'm dead.
Dang. The top didn't hook up. Ah, I was just on. Oh, I'm on, you guys. I'm on. Probably went came back from sunset mission with a drone solo mission on myself. First drop, you guys. On. Oh, I think it came off. No, we're on. We are on. We are on. First drop, guys. Oh, I think it came off again. We are on. Woo! It's a workout for sure. What the heck is that? Oh my God! Holy crap! Holy crap! It's Halloween for sure. Holy crap, look at this aha! Bro, it's a good size aha with no tail and shark and grab him, guaranteed! Oh my, I feel bad. Dude, are you good? Do you need help? I can release you still, but maybe dude, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, you guys, first drop kind things. Dude, it's Halloween, it's a full moon. It was a shark werewolf. Where shark? Where shark? Bruh, look at the head. This thing is mangled. I don't think it's gonna survive. Wow. Yes, it's a beautiful day that our Lord has made. So stoked to be back at the secret spot. We got Jacob, we got Curbs, we are ready. Got the drone right here in the bag. Oh yeah, water between the locals. Bruh, this is weird. See this oily crap? Like a while ago I was looking at the ditch, right? You can see look like it had oil coming out of the ditch. And now look, there's like oil coming out of the ground. This comes straight out of the cliff, so I was wondering why oily film on the top. It's so weird. I guarantee Paul Pa's in here. Guaranteed. We are at the secret spot. The last time we've been here was on this video. It's been a minute. Feels so good to be back. Let's go, you guys. We got the droney. Got the droner. Adrian Droner. First drop of the day. We got Kerbal out there. Well, Kirby's reeling in his line. I'm gonna try and catch some bait. I'm excited to fish. Okay. No hoggies, please. Yeah, I lost everything. Oh, you're on my line. Up the door. Oh, you're on my head. Huh? Hey. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Or not. We don't want no hoggy. Stop. Oh, no ice in paradise. Oh my gosh, the hook is gone. Hookless. Look, Joker. Oh my gosh. Ah. Okay, there we go. There we go. I got it all. Look at that, dude. Look at that. That's funny. Look at it. Yessah. We're gonna take a break off of the drone and do some regular dunking. Let's just hope we don't catch any hoggies, but I'm willing to take that risk. Hoggy! Aloha oi. Oi! Hoggy! Look at that head shake! Bruh, hoggy. Okay, thank you for letting it go on. It went through my hook. Awesome. Screw that. I'm not gonna even catch one more hoggy. I'm just straight whip already. Oh boy. Let's whip some tug dealer. We get some moys around or something big. Or just like bang. I hope I don't catch the hog.
You will catch my hoggy, watch. You have a fat lip on him.
Huh? Is that a whack? Jacob, hoggy, on, hoggy, hoggy, hoggy. Oh, skip it over there. Yes, sir. Yeah, right when Kirby catches the fish, my camera dies. At least 10 inches. Sick, dude. That's huge. Thick boy. Yes, sucker. Another freaking knot. Why? We've been catching cracks more than we've been catching fish. First thing I'm gonna catch is sunburn. Oh, bro. Oh, Milu. Bruh, like probably 1 pounders cruising right in. Oh my gosh, dude. Not even joking. Like 1 pound of Milu's cruising around inside. Oh, Milu. Oh, I don't see anything following after that. That was the last action I seen. Oh! Bro, what a view! Bro, I tried to come up and whack him. Oh, boom, right there. Oh, there we go, a view. Oh, Yessah! Yessah, boy! Eee! Silent lures, baby. Bro, that's 10 inches right there. Right on the inside, Yessah! Eee! No hoggy, baby. Easy 10 inches, bro. This is one pan fry right here. So sick. Oh, barely hooked. Yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh, I hope it doesn't find like a deeper hole. Right on the inside too. Come on. On the rock. Oh boy. Go with the bait, live bait. Let me try send this one out. He's gonna donate. Donate the bait. Jake, donate the bait. Oh, come on. That was a little meal. Bro, that was a little meal. Like came up and whack him. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Oh, right here. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I still got it. I still got the beat. This thing is mangled. No fin. Ta-da! Come on! Stop! No! Right, Kirby said he's seen fish after here in Palu. The Aloha. Let's try the Yozuri. Oh, I like this lure. Not that far. Did you guys see that? You see it, right, Jake?
Yeah.
Bro. Oh, look at that. It's a pretty good turn before he falls off. The chicken is crap, dude. Yeah.
Yozuri.
Yozuri. Dude, I was like messing around with the retrieval and I seen how it was just like flicking left and right and that's what it seemed. Wow, double treble in the neck. Sweet. The immediate. You like this one?
Wait, nothing, you know.
No, I was gonna throw him back. Wow, this is guaranteed 10 inches. Yes, guys. Yozuri lures. That was sick. Yes, I like this lure. I think I'm gonna send this lure. Oh, boom! Boom! Let's go! Let's go! Yes, sir!
Yeah, you.
Yee! Oh!
I hear drag team.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir, boys! Yee! Whoa, whoa, almost in my foot!
Same
Let's
line.
go!
Same one.
Bro, some bigger one, dude. But Yozuri is having it right now. Bro, let's go. Wait, wait. Yeah. What it is, man? This is probably like 12 inches, dude. Oh, the troubles are dangerous, no? So sick. Yeah, look, it's barking. King. Bark, bark. Bark. Guarantee at least 12 feet. 12 feet. 12 footer, bro. 12 inches. I'm gonna watch this in back. Send out this companion on the drone, baby. The sun is going down. We've been here for a while. Got a good amount of umilu. Right now, I droned out some grub. Hope we got some. Oh! On, baby! On! Ah, am I? Yep, I'm on. Let's see what we got here. The good amount of shake on it. It's funny is on big hoggy. Oh, the yellow spot, baby. Yeah, the first yellow spot to feel. Yee! Bruh, this is definitely 10 inches. I think I'm gonna eat this bad boy. Yellow spot. Yellow spot. Wait, wait. Roger. All terrain is on size 12. Bruh, that's 11 inches. Bang! Let's go. Let them go, let them go. Yee. That was a sick drone action. I just sent out the companion, I think it was a companion Owama grub. And that was pretty far out there too when it got hit. Oh snap, oh snap! Oh, 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 hey, oh, oh, hip, hip, how's it? Oh, okay, oh, oh, how's it? Hip, hip, oh, hip, no, no, hip. Okay, no, no, stop, okay, hey, buddy. Oh, bro, okay, wait, oh. Okay, oh, no, no, no. Oh, oh, come on, come here. Stop it. Okay. Woo! Up, hip, hip. Raja. Bruh, I wasn't even drone fishing on this one. I wasn't even drone fishing. Straight, just whipping the Tyler lures. Yee! Let's go! Oh, drone down. So sick, bro. The Tyler lures. This guy. Yeah, I'll just lie. No lie, bro. I'm not even lying. No lie. I'm not lying. Bro, right on the inside too. I wasn't even droning this one. I was just whipping. Yee! Right, let's throw this guy back. Throw him back! Right, action! Yes, do we have a floater? I'm getting out of here. Well, and that is the vlog, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the drone fishing videos. I hope you enjoyed the fishing videos. You know me, I catch hoggies and small fish. So when I'm drone fishing and I actually catch a fish that is decent, it's freaking awesome. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to comment. Tell us what's up, how's it? And I'm appreciating all of the support you guys are giving me. Super big mahalo. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Well, until next time, you guys. Aloha, mahalo, shoot.